my name is Maninder. In my previous videos, I have explained present tense. In this video, I'm going to explain past tense. Past tense can be divided in four parts: simple past, past continuous, past perfect, and past perfect continuous. First of all, we will study simple past. It is used to describe a past or dead event, the activity that has been finished. Affirmative sentences. Structure of affirmative sentences will be subject plus second form of verb and object. Second form of verb will be used with all kinds of subjects, whether it is singular or plural. Example first. He, she, or I ate bananas. You can see I have underlined the verb and written second form of verb. In this tense, he ate bananas, she ate bananas, I ate bananas. This is the only tense, children, where I subject is not given any special treatment. Second example. They, we, you played very well. First form is play, second form is played. They played very well, we played very well, you played very well. Subjects are plural. All these subjects are plural, but they are also taking second form of verb like the singular subjects have taken. Negative sentences. The structure of negative sentence you have to learn very carefully. Subject, did not, first form of verb, and object. For affirmative sentences, we have been using second form of verb, but when we make a negative sentence, we will use did not and first form of verb. Second form is used only and only in simple affirmative sentences. First example, he, she, or I did not eat bananas. Eat is first form. Did not has been used. He did not eat bananas. She did not eat bananas. I did not eat bananas. Second example, with the plural subjects. They, we, you did not play very well. You can see we are using all kinds of subjects which are plural. They are taking did not and first form of verb. They did not play very well. We did not play very well. You did not play very well. Interrogative sentences. Children, you have to take care. Interrogative will also be used by using helping verb in the beginning, that is did, subject, singular or plural. Both will be going with did. First form of verb, object and a question mark. Without a question mark, it will not look like an interrogative sentence. First example, did he, she, I eat bananas? Did he eat bananas? Did she eat bananas? Did I eat bananas? All these are going with first form of verb. Second example, with the plural subjects. Did we, you, they play very well? Did we play very well? Did you play very well? Did they play very well? All these subjects are taking did in the beginning and first form of verb after the subject. Past continuous tense. Past continuous tense is used to describe an action going on in the past. Means an action that started and continued for some time in the past. Affirmative sentences. Structure of affirmative sentences will be subject, was or were, first form of verb, ing, and object. Was will be used with he, she, it, or I. Were will be used with we, you, they. First example, he, she, I. They all will be going with was. He was, read, first form of verb, and ing. He was reading a story. She was reading a story. I was reading a story. Second example, with the plural subjects they, we, you. All these subjects will be going with were. They were playing cricket. We were playing cricket. You were playing cricket. You can see play first form with ing. Negative sentences. The structure of negative sentences will be subject, was or were, then not, first form of verb, ing and object. Was will be used as per rules like he, she, I, and were will be going with they, we, you. Example first. He, she, I. There are three singular subjects. He was not reading a story. She was not reading a story. I was not reading a story. Second example with plural subjects. They were not playing cricket. We were not playing cricket. You were not playing cricket. Interrogative sentences. Structure. Was, were, helping verb will be coming before the subject. Subject, first form of verb, ing, object and a question mark. Example first. Was he or she reading a story? You can see he and she both are singular. So we have used was in front of the subject. Was he reading a story? Was she reading a story? Were they, you, we playing cricket? All these are plural subjects. Were they playing cricket? Were you playing cricket? Were we playing cricket? I have explained simple past and past continuous tense. The remaining two parts of past tense will be explained in the next video. If you like the video, give a thumbs up, share and subscribe. Thank you.